How about timing here? Make sure is the camera zoomed. Folks, 12:21 is leading. A lot of people are asking why it's been not the leading unit. Well, today it is. I'm just gonna get into where I want to be. A little slower this time. We've stopped. Stopped here at the crossing. I'm not sure. Was there an issue? I'm just gonna. A lot of brushes here. They have stopped. We are just at US Highway. I'm gonna try to get out of the brushes here in a minute. There's the crew guy. He went all the way over there. But they have stopped here on US Highway 8, right by the cross next to it. And I'm not sure why. Maybe he needs the bathroom. I think I see the reasoning, folks. I think our guy needed the bathroom. Folks, stay tuned. We are going to have to wait just a couple minutes for the crew guy to use the bathroom. Alright, folks, we're back. Our crew guy that we were waiting on has returned back. So we should see a train probably moving here, folks. 12:21 and ELS 502. Today is Northbound 1. And by the way, shout out this video to Rural Rails Production. I think it is, if I'm correct myself. Thanks for on your community page for the shout out, man. I very much appreciate that. As we are on the road to 1,000 subs, we are, I believe, 80 to go. So, goal by the end of the year, folks. Can we hit 1,000 subs on YouTube? That's the goal, folks. Let's get 1,000 on this page. But, folks, I had to interrupt my lunch. I was having a delicious calzone. And, I had calzones that we got at a store, and I was gonna enjoy one, but heard train, decided, I want to get that train. The calzone can wait. So after this, folks, I'm going back to the house to try my calzones. But yeah, we're at the US Highway 8 crossing / I think it's, there's a street behind me to my right here. There's a street that you can go on. I don't remember the street name. I'll use Google Maps here in a little bit. In the video, I'm going to see the locations. Yeah. Interesting day on the board. We got SD9 timing. Can hear the brakes, by the way, going, folks. That's the air brakes. Can hear those air brakes been going. It's good to see 1221 being the lead unit here, and again, we've been getting a lot of trains at this crossing here, folks. Here at the US Highway 8 crossing. They may be having a lunch break. I'm not sure. But I think it is just past noon, so it should be. While we're waiting, folks, I'll show you the crossing. There it is. And they'll be rolling to the curb over there. It's a beautiful crossing here. I love this spot. But enjoying filming trains at this spot. And this is a lights and bells. The box is right here. I can probably look at the box here in a little bit and we'll find out what the milepost number is for this spot. But we continue waiting, folks, for this one to roll its way northbound. Here we go, folks. Old Blue Smoky, 502, boys. There she is. Got cars here going to Ultra Metal, or these are going to get for ore and Channing, I believe these would be. I would like to guess these are the Channing ore cars right there. More LP Smart Side lumber cars. The center beams are adding. They've been producing a lot of product recently, so they've been needing these center beams more and more every day, folks. They need these things. Got a blue one even. Got a dark blue, and we got a light blue coming up here in a minute. I would also suspect, folks, they may be grabbing, there's still more of those new grain cars here in Pembine. I suspect they may grab those in the coming weeks. Pretty soon, I'd say, my guess is. These will probably go to Ultra Metal, these type of cars. I believe ELS Cigarette, Chicago Freight Leasing Company. Awesome. Oh boy, we got tankers. I don't just see one, folks. How many we got? 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tanker cars. That is a ton. You don't see that a lot in the ELS. 8 tankers heading north. Wow, I've never seen that in a while. Well, here she comes, last one. There you guys go. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Share this video out if you got anybody who likes trains, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace out, everybody.